are going to discuss about adverbs in detail. An adverb is a word, a set of words that modifies adverb, adjective, and another adverb. It tells when, where, and how an action is performed, or indicate the quality or degree of the action. You must be thinking it's difficult, but it is not. It's very easy. I will explain to you in this lesson. So don't miss any part. Watch till end. Many adverbs end in ly, but some words which end in ly, such as friendly, are not adverbs. Many words can be both adverb and adjectives, according to their activity in the sentence. Rashid is always hungry for success. So here we see always modifies what? Hungry, always hungry. Hungry is a verb. So that's why this one is an adverb. I love her very much. Very much is an adverb. That says how much. He is running fast. Fast modifying running here in the sentence. That is our verb. So that's why this one is an adverb. Ali works hard. Works hard. Not Ali itself is hard, but he works hard. So that's why this one is an adverb. He wrote that willingly. How he wrote? Willingly. So modifying verb. That's why this one is adverb. If the word modifies noun or a pronoun in the sentence, that is an adjective, not the verb. Adverb clauses and adverb phrases are clauses and phrases that modify the verb, adjectives, or other adverb in the sentence. Knowing this adverb clause and adverb phrase, you must understand the difference between clause and phrase. Clause is kind of sentence in which we have the subject as well as the verb. But phrase is a group of words that has only either the subject or the verb. So it cannot stand as a sentence itself. We have few examples here. He ran toward the bus until he was tired. Adverb clause because describe ran. Until he was tired, he ran. Then he came carrying his box with 2 hands. Adverb phrase carrying his box with 2 hands. Here this one, the upper one is clause. Like he was tired. We have the complete sentence inside it. But until shows this one is the dependent clause, not the independent one. Then we have carrying his box with 2 hands. Who? Who is carrying his the box, his hands? It is not mentioned in this one. So that's why this. We were panicked without any reason. Without any reason. Described panicked. Panicked without any reason. So adverb phrase, because also if you see closely, we don't have a subject here. Without any reason. We don't have a subject, not even the verb here. Number 1. Now we have different kinds. So we will see one by one. Number 1 is conjunctive adverb. This is same like conjunction, conjunctive adverb. A conjunctive adverb connects phrases or independent clauses. It provides transitions between ideas and shows a relationship. Conjunctive adverbs are also called connectors. Something that join two things. We have examples here. Let's see. It rained last night. This one is independent clause as well as the complete sentence. Then the other one is nonetheless, the final match has not been cancelled. So this word nonetheless joining these two sentences. One sentence is this one. and the other sentence. We are still confused, however, if the empire will come. So here we are still confused, however, joins these two sentences. That's why this is called conjunctive adverb. Then we have last season there was a great drought. Consequently, we could not grow crops. Joining two sentences together. So that's why this one is conjunctive adverbs. Here we have sentence adverb. Sentence adverbs are a sentence adverb starts the sentence and modifies the whole sentence. At the beginning of the sentence you will find it. Hopefully we will win the match. So here they are not connecting any other sentence because standing individually, separately. So here hopefully we will win the match. So hopefully is sentence adverb. Apparently the sky is getting cloudy. Certainly I did not think of coming here. So standing separately, here presenting this sentence, that's why this is sentence adverb. Then we have adverb of time. Adverb of time is the frequency when. Adverbs of time frequency indicate time or frequency of the action in the sentence. They answer the question when, how frequently is the action performed. Always, never, often or often, in some region, often, cold, often, both are correct. Eventually, now, frequently, occasionally, once, forever, seldom, before, Sunday, Monday, 10 a.m., 12 p.m., etc., etc. are common adverbs of time frequency. For example, I went to school a little late yesterday. A little late yesterday. So a little late what? Went to school. So describing this verb. He always gets a good result. Always gets good results. That's why this one is always. Also describes the time. Always. I will leave Monday. The day is mentioned. Time. That's why leave Monday. He smokes occasionally. How he smokes? He's not a chain smoker, but smokes occasionally describes smoke. The time or frequency. Adverbs of place, direction, where. Adverbs of place, direction that indicate place, direction of the action in the sentence. They answer the question, where is the action performed? Across, over, under, in, out, through, backward, there, around, here, sideways, upstairs, in the park, in the field, in that place, etc. are some common adverbs of place, directions. For example, I went through the jungle. Through the jungle describes went. He plays in the field. Where he plays? In the field. Alex is going to school. Alex is going where? School, to school. He is staying at home. Where is he staying? At home. At my home. Adverbs of degree, how much? Adverbs that express the importance, degree, level of the action in the sentence are called adverbs of degree. They answer the question, how much is the action performed? Completely, nearly, entirely, lazily, mildly, most, thoroughly, somewhat, excessively, much are common adverbs of degree. For example, she completely forgot about her anniversary. This completely describes forgot. Completely forgot. Not she completely. I read the newspaper thoroughly. Read thoroughly. I am so excited about the new job. So describes excited. the degree, how much you are excited about. Robin hardly studies. Hardly studies, not Robin hardly. So these are adverbs. Adverbs of manner, how. Adverbs that express the manner, approach, process of the action in the sentence are called adverbs of manner. They answer the question, how is action performed? Beautifully, equally, thankfully, carefully, handily, quickly, coldly, hotly, recently, earnestly, nicely, tirelessly, etc. etc. Are common adverbs of manner. These adverbs usually end in ly. Example, let's divide the prices equally. Equally. Divide equally. Please handle the camera carefully. Handle carefully. Mike is walking slowly. Walking slowly. He is running fast. Running fast. If you like today's lesson, if you like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and also share with your friends.